Hi grade 10s, it's Miss Thungaraj here, and we're going to do another video today about finding the y-intercept of a quadratic, and also we're going to practice again taking an equation in factored form and putting it to standard form. Most of this video will be a review of things we've already learned. So before we start though, get a pencil and a piece of paper so you can do the math with me at home. You're going to learn so much more if you're actively participating in the video as opposed to just watching it. So this is the page that we are going to look at from assignment 4. It's lesson 4. And like I just said, lesson 4 doesn't really require you to learn anything new. It's a review of everything we've learned already. So this is a good chance for you just to practice the skills that we've learned from the other videos. And our first question is going to be y is equal to x minus 5, x plus 2. And the question asks us to first put that in standard form. So that means I need to use the chart and find standard form, and then I want to find the y-intercept. So this chart is really useful. So don't forget, you can use this chart next year when you're in grade 11, even if your teacher doesn't typically use it. So we're going to take the x minus 5 and the x plus 2. We're going to put them in the top and the side, and now we want to multiply 4 times. So I'm going to multiply x times x gives me x squared, minus 5 times x gives me minus 5x, 2 times x gives me 2x, and 2 times negative 5, or negative 5 times 2 gives me negative 10. And I know that my answer to x minus 5 times x plus 2 is all the things on the inside of the chart. So the answer is x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. And we are nearly done. We just need to simplify. We need to put the minus 5x and the 2x together. So don't forget, that means that we need to do minus 5x plus 2x, or minus 5 plus 2 on my calculator, and that would give me minus 3. So my answer is x squared minus 3x minus 10. And anytime you want to check to make sure that you've got the right answer, you can use Desmos. You see the factored form, x minus 2, or x minus 5 times x plus 2. We see our answer that was in the middle, x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. And we see the x squared minus 3x minus 10. We have 3 different equations, but only one graph. And that's because all of those equations provided, yielded, made the same graph, which means we use the chart method appropriately. And when you look at all of those equations, they all give you the same y-intercept. The y-intercept would be minus 10. And we can find that minus 10 simply by looking at the equation. We know that in standard form, there was a minus 10 at the end, so that's why the y-intercept is minus 10. And in factored form, we had a minus 5 and a 2. If I multiply the minus 5 times 2, it gives me minus 10. So that's how you can find the y-intercept. So you have a little bit of homework tonight. Your homework is to finish lesson number 4 from assignment number 4. So lesson number 4 is a whole page in the booklet, and we've just done the first one, and I would like you to complete the rest of those questions that are on that page. It'll be good practice, and really there's nothing new here. It's just a review of everything we've been doing in lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and now again in lesson 4. If you have questions, please don't get frustrated. You're not alone. Everyone has questions when they're learning from home. It is weird. It's not what we are accustomed to. So remember that I am here to help. I will be on Google Meet in the afternoon today, and I'll be on Google Meet next week, and I would love to give you some help. Don't be discouraged, and don't think it's just you who's having troubles. Everyone's having troubles. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I hope that it was a little bit useful. I know there wasn't too much new in this video, but please, if you watch this YouTube video, just leave me a comment, a thumbs up, so I know you watched it. And I hope that you have a beautiful day and a beautiful weekend, and you won't hear from me again until Monday.